Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name Adia Janjahira. I'm student of Asia University. Today, I like to talk to you about chapter 7 until 10 into 12, and I plan to speak for about 20 minutes. Firstly, I'll be talking about sebelumnya, mohon maaf, Miss. Tidak bisa saya screen karena error terus. Dari siang udah dicoba tapi masih susah. Oke, lanjut ya. Firstly, I'll be talking about structure skill 7. This slideshow of skill 7 of one sentence with other sentence can be combined with connector. The connector is what, when, where, why, how, whatever, if that. That is a pattern. Her, that is subject, verb, noun, clause, connector, subject, and verb. Let me give an example. The citizen worry about blah 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 it's doing. A. What the government. B. The government. C. What the government is. Okay? The citizen as subject, worry as verb, is doing as verb. Her, we need a connector and a subject for two sentences to be complete. Let's look answer A and D because answer B does not have a connector, only a subject that the government. And answer C does not have a subject, only the connector is what? So the answer is A. That is what the government. What is a connector? The government as subject. Answer D is wrong because the subject is double that. Is the government and it. Secondly, I now want to go on skill 8. The pattern of skill 8 is subject, verb, noun, clause, connector atau subject and verb. Here, the connector has two functions, that as connector and subject. That is who, what, and which. For instance, the company was prepared for blah 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 happened with the economy. A. It. B. Problem. C. What. D. When. The company as subject was prepared as verb, happened as verb. We did connector and subject, so the answer is C. That is what, because what have two function as a connector and subject. Answer A, it only subject. Answer B, the problem only subject. Answer D, when only connector, not have to function as connector and subject. Thirdly, this brings me to my next point, which is skill 9. On skill 9, there are 5 elements, that is subject, verb, adjective, clause, connector. Subject, verb, the adjective, clause, connector is wrong for people, which for things, that for people and things. For example, the job blah 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 started yesterday was rather difficult. Okay, A when, B was, C after, D that he. The job as subject started as verb was rather be as verb. We need connector and subject. The answer is D because that as the connector, he as subject. Answer A, B, and C is wrong because A when only connector. Answer B was to that to be, and answer C after that is a conjunction. Finally, I'll be looking at skill 10 adjective clause connector atau subject. Skill 10 is almost the same with skill 8. The difference is a connector that is warm for people, which for things, that for people and things. The adjective connector skill 9 can be omitted in informal English. Adjective connector or subject skill 10 can never be omitted. For instance, blah 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 that hunted other animals tended to have very narrow, sharp, and curved claws. A for dinosaur. B. Dinosaur are known. C. Dinosaur. D. Like dinosaur. That is connector or subject. Hunted as verb, tended as verb. We need a subject. The answer is C. Dinosaur because that is subject. Answer A, B, and D is wrong because A for dinosaur, that is for preposition. Nouns that have a preposition in front of them cannot be called subject. Answer B, dinosaur are no. Dinosaur is subject, are no is verb. Answer B is wrong because we only need a subject. Answer D, like dinosaur, like is preposition, dinosaur is subject. So to sum up, if there is one sentence with another sentence, it must be with connector. The connector structure with 7 is what, when, where, why, how. Whatever, if that, the connector or subject, skill 8, is who, what, which. The connector skill 9 is who for people, which for things, that for people and things. Okay. And connector subject skill 10 is who for people, which for things, that for people or things. Let me end by saying, keep up to the spirit of learning and stay focused on doing something useful. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.